Okay, yeah, so you have to take this tab out in order for you to get the bolt, and this is a 10 millimeter socket, right? So there's two kind of bolts on each side of the steering wheel that you have to remove. So be careful you don't drop this bolt. And after that, the airbag should be easily pop out like so. And be careful with the wires, and also make sure that you unplug the battery when you're doing this job. Don't forget about the battery. You don't want this airbag pop out. Yeah, so there you go. You have to tap the steering wheel out, or if you have a puller, I just knock the steering out. And then you're gonna need a torch, kind of Allen key, and there's 3 screws in there. There's one on the bottom and there's 2 on the top, and this is the screws for the clock spring. There's one on the side, on each side, and make sure that you unplug the wires on the back of it. Don't pull it out right away. And that's pretty much it, right? So this is the good one and this is the old one. So make sure you